if you want to customize home screen on iOS 18, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Of course, iOS 18 has a lot of features, including customizing your home screen. So one of the features that you can do is hold your screen from here. And as you can see, the apps will shake. Click the edit at the top left, and you're going to be able to add interactive widgets by clicking add widgets at the top. And then you can just select an app, for example, this one, and you're going to be able to see interactive widget, right? And you're going to be able to see more of that if the app supports that. So this is one feature that you can do. Another one, you could just go ahead and click edit at the top left and then click customize. This is a new feature that allows you to theme your home screen. So you could just go ahead and select light or dark or automatic or select tinted. And tinted will allow you to do or to customize your theme manually. So I could just go ahead and select different colors, right, to make it more interesting and make it more beautiful. So do it on your own time, but basically you're gonna be able to do that. Same goes with the light mode. You could just go ahead and select the light mode for the background of your screen, or the dark mode in case you want something like that. And you can select large for making the app even larger or make it small. Okay. Another feature that allows you to customize your home screen is the lock screen. So now you can customize your lock screen by holding your lock screen, right? And then click customize from here and then select lock screen. And then from here, you're going to be able to customize the tools at the bottom left. It used to be not something that you can do, but now you can actually delete it and add another widget by clicking the plus button. Let's say, for example, I want to add another app. Let's say OpenChatGPT, right? And I can delete the other one. The same goes with it, and then hit done at the top right. And of course, the settings for these features for widgets in the clock remains the same, right? Another way of basically figuring out the new features, you could just go back to your screen, to your home screen specifically, and then you can swipe down to your control center. And this is another feature that you can actually take advantage. You can just hold the control center, and you're gonna be able now to change your control center manually. If you didn't like the Wi-Fi in the cellular data, you can just go ahead and click the negative button and undo it, right? And you can add another tools by clicking add control. Scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna be able to add more if you want to. Let's say, for example, I want to add something. Let's say Instagram. So I'm gonna add Instagram from here, right? And I can move any widget basically or control that I want to another place, and then hit the same screen again to apply the settings. Another feature that iOS 18 basically gives to other users is basically hide the app for your privacy. You can just hold your screen from here, and let's say, for example, I want to hide an app, right? I'm gonna hold the app, not to hold the screen, hold the app, and then click require Face ID. And now that feature allows you to basically hide the app and basically make your information private. If you have a private information inside this specific app and you don't want anyone to have access, you could just go ahead and click require Face ID. So anyone other than you tries to get access to that specific app, they will require Face ID, and only your Face ID will confirm that you want to go inside the app. But if you want to hide it just like permanently, you can just go ahead and click hide and require Face ID, and then you're gonna see right here the app will no longer be visible to your iPhone. If you want to hide it, just continue to hide the app. And if you want to find the hidden app, you can just go ahead and swipe right, scroll a little bit down to your app library, scroll to find hidden, and then from here confirm via facial recognition, and you're gonna see the apps that you hidden inside the iPhone. So basically, this is now the new features that iOS 18 gives to the new iPhones. So if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.